After that,
This is my country. Oh, this is your country. Wow. Can you speak Filipino?
Yes, I can speak Tagalog.
Okay, how? How? Example.
Buti.
Ono kita.
Mabuhay.
Okay, sure.
No,
Thank you. Then we go to
Golden Crown para kay Emma. Golden Crown ng Pilipinas, iyong tangan. Bawat Pilipino'y nagdiriwang sa entablado ng Miss Grand Stage. Tagumpay mo ang aming page. Taon ng laban, di ka sumuko. Destiny mo, gininto ang puso. Sa bawat ngiti, bituin ang gabay. Emma, ikaw ang ating tagumpay. Emma Mary Tiglao, your golden crown. Millions cheered, we won't back down. To the grand, you've made us proud. Philippines is singing loud. Emma Mary Tiglao, destiny mo. Sa bawat boto, sumigaw ang puso. 1 million hearts you turned around. Our queen forever with your golden crown. Ganda't talino, pusong dalisay.